Okay guys, so so our topic for this discussion guys is all about the devil and the false prophet and the beast. So for a little season guys, Lucifer Lucifer and his angels and the false prophet and the beast, they were they were had authority to manage and deceive many guys. So let's find out about this verse and chapters in Revelation, because Lucifer or the devil and his angels, for a little season, Lucifer is prey to deceive many, and the false prophet and the beast. So let's focus our attention guys, because according here in Revelation guys, Revelation chapter 20 verse 10, and the devil that deceived them was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophet are, and shall be tormented day and night forever and ever. So observe wisely guys. For a little season, Lucifer or the devil and the false prophet and the beast, they were had authority and power to manage to manage to manage and deceive many. So observe wisely guys, observe wisely what kind of church you are, and and always remember guys, Satan or Lucifer does not rule in hell. Hell is prepared for Satan and his angels. So, and Lucifer or Satan guys is the father of sins. So, if you continue to do sinner desires, so meaning to say your father is no other than, his name is Lucifer, because Lucifer is the father of sins. The devil is the father of sins. And according here in Matthew guys, Matthew chapter 25 verse 41, then shall he say also unto them unto the left hand, depart from me, ye cursed, into the everlasting fire prepared for the devil and his angels. So hell guys is prepared for the devil and his angels. So if you truly followers of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, you keep his commandments. So do not commit adultery, do not kill, do not steal, do not bear false witness, defraud not, honor thy father and mother. So because my Lord God Father Jesus Christ is the righteous Father, the righteous God, and Lucifer or Satan is the father of sins. So if you continue to do sinner desires, so meaning to say your father no other than his name is Lucifer or Satan or the devil, because Lucifer is the father of sins, and hell is prepared for Lucifer and his angels. So always remember guys, Lucifer or Satan does not rule in hell. Hell is prepared for Satan or Lucifer and his angels. So if you truly followers of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, so keep his commandments guys. So do not commit adultery, do not kill, do not steal, do not bear false witness, defraud not, honor thy mother and father, because this is essential guys. This is essential to us to receive salvation, because hell guys is real. The second death is real. So our life here in this world is temporary, but the second death is real. So this is essential to us. This is temporary guys. So dig treasures in heaven guys, not treasures in earth, because treasure in heaven is forever. So if you want to receive salvation, so keep the commandments of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, because the father of righteousness guys, no other than his name is Jesus Christ, but the father of the sins, no other than his name is Lucifer or the devil. So if you truly followers of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, so discipline yourself guys. So discipline, so take your cross every day. I know the 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 minions of Lucifer and his angels try their best to tear you down. They come closer to you, but smile and and accept their their influence, and and be friendly to the minions of Lucifer or Satan. So okay guys, because if you want to become a true followers of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, so take your cross and discipline yourself. So keep his commandments, because the father of righteousness, no other than his name is Jesus Christ, because there is none good but one, that is Jesus Christ, and there is none good but one, that is God. And the father of the sin, no other than his name is the devil or Lucifer or Lucifer. So if you continue to do sinner desire, so your father, no other than his name is Lucifer. So the deceiver guys, the deceiver, so and the false prophet and the beast was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophet are, and shall be tormented day and night, so forever and ever. So So this is essential. So if you truly followers of my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, discipline yourself, guys, because the father of sins, no other than is the devil or Lucifer, so the deceiver. He allowed the people to do sins in this world. So meaning to say, it's okay to steal, it's okay to commit adultery, it's okay to bear false witness. So that is the father of sins. His name is Lucifer. So if you continue your sinner desire, so your father is Lucifer. So hell is prepared for you, because here then shall he say also unto them unto the left hand, depart from me, ye cursed, into the lasting fire prepared for the devil and his angels. So goodbye, guys. Good luck. It's up to you if you believe or not. The important for me, I share the true salvation. So goodbye.